Breaking news on Martyn Lucas Investor. We're looking at Polyswarm, ticker symbol NCT What a cryptocurrency this is. Apparently has a new contract with the government. This is what we're hearing from a member who has requested to have a look at this cryptocurrency. We have looked at this 3 weeks ago. We were spot on. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Since it's had a sell-off, and we might be heading to support. So we're going to give you all the levels for Polyswarm in this video. If you are a holder, if you do like it, if you do want us to cover this more, please do hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, leave your thoughts below in the comment section. But yeah, currently it's sat at around 3.5 cents. It had that big move to the upside. Now it's corrected, and we're looking for opportunity. But before we get into this review, I want to. Someone asked about it, and I remember reviewing this earlier on. We checked on YouTube, and then we saw that 3 weeks ago I did do a review, and let's see what I said 3 weeks ago. Let's see if I was right. 5 cents. If you've been holding from lower levels, people holding from those levels might have taken some profits at 4 cents. Next level of resistance would be around 5 cents. The level after would be about 8.5 cents. And once you break 8.5 cents, and these are all levels. Normally, if I've been buying a crypto, if I've been accumulating at lower levels. So there we go. What I was looking at was it was around 4 cents during that video. We were looking at 5 cents next. We were actually saying just right before that video, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. It's rounding bottom. It's looking good. And within a couple weeks, first we got a 35% move to the upside, which I said 5 cents in that video. Then it was an additional 54% up to the 8.5 cents level. So within looking at the technical analysis, there was over a 2x since that video. What I want to make clear, even though I've just said this, is nothing I say is financial advice. I cannot predict the future. I just use technical analysis. Please do not buy or sell based on anything I say during this video. I'm not a financial advisor. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only. So we're looking at higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, a rounding bottom, and potential targets. Has that changed now that we have already seen that move to the upside and that move back to downside? It would have been much better if we held support around 5 cents when we move back up. It has been pumped and dumped. Unfortunately, that's not a good sign. However, the main thing we were looking at was higher lows. And do we still have higher lows? Yes, we do. If we hold the levels we're at now 3.5 cents, and maybe maybe coming as low as 3 cents back to this moving averages, then we still have a chance of moving back towards the upside. It doesn't look as good as it did before. However, these are levels. It can reverse. It will still have all these higher lows, more people holding it. And then we will target those same levels again, getting back above 4 cents, heading back up to 5 cents. Then once you break 5 cents, heading towards high levels such as 8.5 cents, and then beyond to 13 cents. That will be my target for the bull market, 13, 17 cents, if we do get above each of these resistance levels that now they are, because we're back below them. Before they could have been turned into support, but they didn't. Now they're back to resistance lines. We're back above them. We have to break them to continue our onward journey. It is at $65 million market cap, very risky, but high reward. We have got news that it might have got a government contract. So remember, do your own research. I don't know much about the fundamentals, about the security of Polyswarm. Looking at the technicals, you would still have a nice situation where you had your capitulation, you had the bottom. Now you've got higher lows. More people seem to be owning this by looking at the chart. You have previously gone as high as 17 cents on this cryptocurrency. And there does look like there is opportunity, but again, it is a very low market cap. If Bitcoin corrects, this crypto can easily, it's a crypto, not a stock, this crypto can easily correct 50%, and bear market can go 80% down, and most likely this crypto might not be around in 5 years time. It'll be down at zero, but that's the risk you take on with having such a low market cap crypto in the cryptocurrency area. So again, be very careful. Remember, this is going to be a high risk part of your portfolio. There is potential. If this sticks around, there is 100x, 1000x, 50x. They're all potentials on this specific company. Do your own fundamental research, but the technicals, they are still looking fine as long as you hold the 3 cents level. If you do want some longer form content on this, let me know in the comment section. If you want a full fundamental analysis as well, let me know and we can deep dive into it. Share this out, hit the like button, subscribe. Oh, there's some fireworks for you. There will be my previous video up here with some merch linked over there, and our previous video on PolySwarm down here. Thank you very much for tuning in. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.